Hi, it's Amy with WTI. I just had to share with you these adorable bags. They're Segarty Burlap Tote bags. These I got to give a gift and I absolutely love them. You're going to get 6 pieces. They're a really great size and they're perfect for the notebooks and different things that I'm using it for. You can do amazing things with these. You can paint on them, you can monogram them, you can have your work logo put on it. You can have little thank yous and just because gifts. Those are my favorite. These are such a great blank canvas for your crafting projects. The possibilities are endless. One thing that really impresses me about them is that they're very well made, so you don't have to worry about these ripping apart or anything. The handles, they have a really nice cushion to them, so they have a nice feel in your hand. They can carry quite a bit of weight, and I really appreciate the double stitching in the handle, so I don't feel like I have to be delicate with it, that it's just going to pull out and rip. It really is nice and secure. There's an interior waterproof coating, which is really nice if you're using it for anything that might have a little bit of dampness to it. The natural burlap fabric is just so organic looking and really pretty. I like giving a gift bag that a person can actually reuse. So I really appreciate that these bags are reusable. I think you're really going to love these like I do, but that's just my point of view.